But just sinking in. Good. As if the shoulders down. Good. A little bit more. Out through your mouth. Good. Sinking in. Good. And out. Good. Shoulders coming this way. Hips coming down. Just a little push. Lay your back. Breathing in. Good. And out. Ooh, in the middle. Okay, now let this relax. Slow. Okay, one more. Let's relax. Look straight ahead. There's always one.
There you go.
Elbow here, and we're going to adjust your shoulder. Oh, and this one down here.
And out. Deep breath in and out. There we go. Okay. And then I'm gonna have you flip to the other side.
Okay.
There it was. Good. There it was. That released really well there. Relax this one. Good. There it was. Okay, so lean back, I got you. Squeeze your elbows together. Good. Good. Good.
That felt really good.
Beautiful. That feel alright?
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be louder.
Yeah. Close your eyes there. Beautiful. Be contacting on this half point here. Beautiful.
That felt good.
That felt. Let your body relax over that hand. Good. Good. There it is. Relax your shoulders down. No, don't. There you go.
Oh,
That's it.
oh God.
See, I'm gonna tap you and then I'm gonna pull. All right. And feel that moving. Good. And then one more up here. Take a deep breath in. Exhale out. Hold a little bit tighter. And exhale. So let your body go over more. Oh, good. Now just relax everything.
Oh God.
Deep breath in. Exhale all the way out. Good. Put your hands a little bit on your stomach. On your chest, I'm sorry. Good.
Oh God.
Hand out, shoulders loose. Beautiful, great.
Nice and tight, deep. And out. Turn over to the right. Let go. This way. Here. Oh, not quite. A little too inflamed there. See if we can go here. Right. Drop there. There we go. And out. Shoulders loose all the way. There we go. Motion in here, and then we'll go to your wrist. Breath in. Shoulders loose. Hips loose. Hands on top of mine. Squeeze down. Breathe in. And out. Fall back. Squeeze a little more. Chest up. Wow.
Up. Good. Look up. Look up. Home run. It's a PLS. Nice and easy, please. Home run. Look up at him. That's the one. Very flexible. There it is. Look up. Got drop. Gotcha. Drop. There. Down. Good. There it is. Look up. There. There we go. Good. That's it.
Work on up into her thoracics. Keep breathing for me. There you go. There we go. Okay. All right. Leg. That a girl. You should have felt that from your knee all the way up into your lower back.
Yeah.
This won't hurt your knee that you've had surgery on. In fact, it'll actually help that scar tissue. Nope, let me have you. There you go, right there. Haven't lost a patient on the floor yet. I won't start with you. There you go. That a girl. There we go. You on the computer a lot? Yep.
The life of a college student.
Yep. There we go. Does feel good. Yep. You want to keep your teeth together on this one, Ariana. Breathe through your nose with your right big toe. There you go. Yes, ma'am.
That's reassuring.
Yeah. I only do that for entertainment purposes. That's not.
Well, you hate when guys
Well, she talked about her toes, so I have to adjust them. There you go. Spine yours back in place, just like that, and like that.